Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Misty. I am here today to help you get rid of overtoned hair. I'm in the process of doing a video on how to bleach your own hair, and I purposely overtoned my hair just to be able to make this video, which I probably should have done it at a separate time because it's creating a lot more work for me. But this is what I decided to do. So we're going to exfoliate our hair. We're going to get rid of this toner. So the most basic way that you can get rid of overtoned hair is to use a clarifying shampoo, but what I find is that's usually not enough to get rid of all of this purple. I mean, granted, toner's going to fade in a couple of days after a couple of washes, so it's not the end of the world. Your hair's not going to stay purple. It'll be fine, but sometimes you're like, shit, I've got to go to work tomorrow, and I don't think they'd appreciate purple hair. Been there. So today we are going to try to get rid of, all of this extra purple. When I bleached my hair, I just did the roots and toned the roots, so that's why you're seeing like the roots are extremely purple where the ends aren't so much, because I just didn't tone the ends very much because I didn't need it. All right. So let's jump into it. Here's what you're gonna need. Granted, you still would like a clarifying shampoo. I don't have I do not have a clarifying shampoo on hand, so I'm just gonna use an anti-dandruff shampoo. It's the harshest shampoo that I have. You're gonna want Dawn dish soap. Generally, you want just a regular Dawn. Again, I don't have that on hand, so the whole purpose of this is to use stuff that you have available. So Dawn dish soap, and then lastly, you're just gonna want lemon juice. It's best to use lemon juice from like an actual lemon. However, I don't know how many of us just have lemons laying around the house. If you do, cool. If you don't, lemon juice. All right, so first off, you're gonna want your hair wet. I'm probably going to have to re-wet it. Maybe not. But we are going to use your clarifying shampoo, or in my case, this anti-dandruff shampoo. So this is the first thing that we're going to use to try to strip our hair. After that, we are gonna, again, wash our hair with this maybe once, maybe 2 times, up to maybe 3 times. And then after that, we're actually gonna wash our hair with lemon juice. So it's like a 3-step process. Your hair is going to be extremely dry and straw feeling after this. So you're gonna wanna use a really high moisturizing, like mask style conditioner. I use It's a 10, I'm almost out of this. But I really enjoy this. The other brand that I really like is a brand called Unite. I don't have any of their products on hand right now. I just haven't ordered them, and they're really hard. You pretty much can't buy them in stores. You have to order them directly from the website, which is fine. But they're kind of expensive, just like It's a 10. But they're worth the money. So let us get started. All right, so I had just used this anti-dandruff shampoo. I didn't bother doing that on camera because I assume everybody knows how to use shampoo, which actually got a significant amount out by itself. Anti-dandruff shampoo is like I said, very similar to clarifying shampoo. Some people think it works even better, especially if you mix it with a little bit of baking soda, but I just use anti-dandruff shampoo. Now we're gonna go Dawn dish soap. So we literally are gonna take a little bit. Doesn't take a lot. My hair is just towel dried. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out. Okay, so I have used that Dawn dish soap 3 times now. So we're pretty damn close to where we wanna be. Right along my hairline here, I still have quite a bit of toner, and then back here. So this is where we're gonna take lemon juice. Honestly, so do you remember back in like the 90s, if you remember that far back, I think I'm dating myself at this point. when you put lemon juice in your hair and then lay out in the sun to give you that sun-kissed blonde look. It had some merit to it. I even remember back when we like find at Walmart that spray that you could spray. And getting off topic. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna squirt. Fresh lemons do work a lot better than this, but again, I'm trying to do it in a way that's like, hey, this is what you have at home. This will work. So we're gonna go ahead and put a lot in there. Go ahead and put a lot in. There are also some, if you have severely damaged hair, my hair is not brilliant by any means, but if you have severely damaged hair, this could potentially damage it even further, dry it out for sure. One thing that you can do is you can mix this with conditioner, and I would say probably 2 parts conditioner to 1 part lemon juice on average. And then you're gonna put that conditioner mixture in your hair. So that is gonna do almost the exact same thing this is going to do. However, it is going to take 3 to 5 hours versus this, which we're gonna leave in our hair for between 5 and 15 minutes. Most likely is gonna get the majority of what is left out. So that, lemon juice. Don't get this in your eye. That would hurt. So yeah, that is an alternative if your hair is severely damaged, dry, so you don't get additional breakage or anything. Yeah. Also, another thing that you can do it's kind of an in-between this and letting that conditioner between 3 and 5 hours, is you do the same thing with the conditioner, about 2 parts conditioner to 1 part lemon juice. However, you're gonna put either like a cap on your head or something, and then you're going to take a blow dryer and blow dry it over your head for no less than about 30 minutes. I don't particularly care for that method just because my arms would be so tired after blow drying my hair for like 30 minutes solid. But then it's gonna heat everything up. It's gonna get things working quite a bit faster. And there's my dogs. But it is just kind of an alternative. It doesn't damage your hair. I mean, this isn't really gonna damage, but it's not gonna dry out your hair as bad as this method. But it's not going to be quite as gentle as doing it with just the conditioner and lemon juice and no heat. So. Okay, so I went ahead and wrapped my hair up in a towel because it is pretty soaking wet, and lemon juice was dripping down my back, which isn't particularly pleasant. So again, I'm gonna leave this on between 5 and 15 minutes. I'm gonna check it every 5 minutes to see how it's working. So I will check in with you in approximately 15 minutes and we'll see where we're at. Oh, last item is you're gonna wanna do this as soon as you can. The longer you wait after toning your hair to try to get the toner out, the harder it's going to be to get that toner out. So just try, like, if you just did it yourself, do it right away if you can. If it happened at like a salon or something, number one, you should ask your stylist about it, and they should try to fix it right then. Sometimes time restrictions make that not possible, and I know other times people just don't feel comfortable with that sort of confrontation with other people, which I totally understand. So if you're not comfortable or they can't do it, fix it in the salon right when you get home, try to do it, because yeah, the longer you wait, the harder it's going to be, but also the longer you wait, the more it's naturally going to come out as you wash your hair. From where it was, that deep purple that I had, to where it's going to end up being, would normally take about a week for it to fade that much, versus I'm doing it in approximately an hour, is start to finish, between using the dandruff shampoo a couple of times, using the Dawn dish soap 3 times, and then letting this sit between 5 and 15 minutes. The total overall time is about an hour. So just kind of pros and cons that you need to determine yourself, and yeah, just do it as quickly as possible. We'll see you in 15. All right, this is what it looks like after being in for about 15 minutes. There are some spots like right around here and in the back that I missed with the lemon juice. That is user error, not the fault of the lemon juice. Yeah, I really hope that this was extremely helpful for you and informative. I'm gonna link the directions down below. And I'm also doing a video right now that was part of this, where I am bleaching my hair and showing you how to bleach and tone it. I purposely overtoned my hair pretty bad just to be able to do this video as well. I figured I'd do both of them at the same time. So I am extremely bad at outros. I don't really know what to say in outros. So basically, I hope you really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed making it. Please like and subscribe and comment. I'd love to hear what you guys think, and thank you. Have a good day.